You can make a one-time donation to the charity of your choice without using a payroll contribution. The process is similar to the method used for payroll contribution and uses the same form. The form can be found at http://go.uis.edu/SICA-charities. Scroll down the page till you find the link to the SICA donor form. Click on the link to open the form in a new tab. Fill out the top part of the form with your personal information. After you have entered your personal information, go back to the SICA homepage and click the link to SICA Charities. You'll find a listing of participating charities. You'll notice each charity has a code. The first 3 numbers are the organization code. The next 4 numbers are the agency code. Enter the organization code and the agency code into the appropriate boxes and enter the amount you wish to contribute. For a one-time direct gift, SICA can accept a money order or a check. Please make the check payable to the specific charity you listed on the form. Write the organization code and the agency code in the memo section of the check. If you wish to make contributions to more than one charity, please write a separate check for each contribution. For donations to charities with the organization code 911, please make the check payable to America's Best Charities. Write the organization code, agency code, and agency name in the memo section of the check or money order. Save and print your donor form, include your check, and please send to Erica Michael, 1 University Plaza, MS PAC 563.